And the makers of this video do not advise to repeat the actions presented. This video is created strictly for artistic purposes. Actions staged might be harmful for your health. It is not a commercial or a call to action. Excessive alcohol consumption is dangerous for your health. Howdy! It's Danya Kraster and a little bit of molecular gastronomy. I mean molecular dive bar. Experiments, science, who needs that crap? Get shit-faced as hard as you can, that's the most important thing. That's why today I'll show you the easiest way to make sparkling vodka. You'll need, of course, vodka, any kind, preferably the one that won't make you go blind, and these guys, pieces of dry ice. I've got some left from the last video, that's why I decided to make a video recipe before it vaporizes away. It's ass cheap, like $1 for a pound. They sell it just anywhere, in bulk. To check out the oxygen saturation in the water, to make sure I'm not shitting you, and I didn't aerate it by some siphon, we'll add a bit, just a bit of salt. There's no gas production. And now we add a few pieces of dry ice in vodka and start shaking it. Due to the temperature of our vodka, dry ice immediately starts to vaporize, emitting liquid state. And while shaking it, we mix the vodka with the gas. Make sure to release the pressure while shaking it, or the bottle will blow your stupid head off. I don't know how safe this dry ice is exactly, but we chugged that whole bottle and no one died. Considering it vaporizes completely without any visible trace, it's cleaner than the ice used in the fire extinguishers. If the level of aeration seems to be too small, repeat the process. So our good old vodka is sparkling now. It even foams up like soda pop when you open it. Pour yourself a shot and let's do another salt test. It's foaming up. The carbon dioxide is coming out, so now we can drink it. But be careful, unlike usual hard liquor, this booze will get absorbed much quicker due to aeration and will give you a fucking kick. Na zdrowie! Thanks for watching, it was Danya Kraster, see you later guys, bye bye!